Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Smart Tech. I have bring 200 full forms related to computer, hardware, software, networking and internet. And to join our channel Study Smart Tech, subscribe the channel and press the bell button to watch all our new uploads. Now let's go to the second slide. Short form and full form. Full form of AAC is Advanced Audio Coding. ABR is Average Bit Rate. ADSL is Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line. AGP Advanced Graphics Port. AI Artificial Intelligence. AIM AOL Instant Messenger. Algorithmic Language. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit. AOL America Online. AMD Advanced Micro Devices. API Application Program Interface. APT Automatically Programmed Tooling. ARP Address Resolution Protocol. ARPANET Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. ARQ Automatic Repeat Request. AS Autonomous System. ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASP Active Server Pages. ASPI Advanced SCSI Programming Interface. ATA Advanced Technology Attachment. ATDT Attention Dial Tone. AUI Attachment Unit Interface. Auto EXEC Automatic Execution. AVI Audio Video Interleave. Basic Beginners All Propose Symbolic Instruction Code. And BCC Blind Carbon Copy. BCD Binary Coded Decimal. BCR Barcode Reader. BDSL Broadband Digital Subscriber Line. BEDO Burst Extended Data Out. BGP Border Gateway Protocol. BHTML Broadcast Hypertext Markup Language. BIOS Basic Input Output System. BIPS Billion Instruction per Second. BIU Bus Interface Unit. BMP Bitmap. BRD Blu-ray Disc. CC Carbon Copy. CD Compact Disc. CDR Compact Disc Recordable. CD-ROM Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. CDRW Compact Disc Rewritable. CDWO Compact Disc Write Once. CDXA Compact Disc Extended Architecture. CGI Bin Common Gateway Interface Binary Programming for Web Forms. CIS Computerized Information System. CISC Complex Instructions Set Computers. CMD Command. CMYK Cyan, Magenta, Yellow Black Color Model. CNN Circulatory Network Mode. Coaxial cable used for Ethernet and similar networks. COBOL Common Business Oriented Language. Computer Commonly operated machine particularly used for trade, technology, education and research. CPI Clock or Cycle per Instruction. CPU Central Processing Unit. CROM Computerized Range of Motion. CRT Cathode Ray Tube Standard Type Computer Monitor Display. CSLIP Compressed Serial Line Interface Protocol Internet. CSS Cascading Style Sheets. CTRL Control. CUI Character User Interface. DAC Data Acquisition and Control. DAT Digital Audio Tape. DB Decibel. DBMS Database Management System. DDL Data Definition Language. DVI Digital Visual Interface. DVR Digital Video Recorder. E-commerce Electronic Commerce. EDC Electronic Digital Computer. EDI Electronic Data Interchange. EDP Electronic Data Processing. EEPROM Electronically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. EFS Encrypted File System. EIDE Enhanced Integrated Drive Electronics. Email Electronic Mail. ENIAC Electronics Numerical Integrator and Calculator. EPROM Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. EROM Erasable Read-Only Memory. FDD Floppy Disk Drive GB Gigabyte. GDI Graphical Device Interface. GUI Graphical User Interface. HD Hard Disk. HTML Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. I/O Input Output. IC Integrated Circuit. IMAP Internet Message Access Protocol. Intel Integrated Electronics. IOP Input Output Processor. IP Internet Protocol. ISDN Integrated Services Digital Network. ISP Internet Service Provider. IVR Interactive Voice Response. KB Kilobyte. kbps kilobits or kilobytes per second. LAN Local Area Network. LED Light Emitting Diode. LLL Low Level Language. LPT Line Printer. MAC Media Access Control. MAN Metropolitan Area Network. MB Motherboard or Megabyte. MBasic Microsoft Basic. MBPS Megabytes per second. MBPS Megabits per second. MICR Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. MMX Multimedia Extensions. Modem Modulator Demodulator. MSC DEX Microsoft Compact Disk Extension. MS-DOS Microsoft Disk Operating System. NAT Network Address Translation. NTP Network Time Protocol. OCR Optical Character Reader. OMR Optical Mark Reader. OOP Object Oriented Programming. OS Operating System. P2P Point-to-Point Protocol. PAN Personal Area Network. PC Personal Computer. PCB Printer Circuit Board. PCI Peripheral Component Interconnect. PHP Hypertext Processor. Preprocessor. Pixel Picture Element. PNG Portable Network Graphics. PPP Point-to-Point Protocol. PRN Printer. PROM Programmable Read-Only Memory. RAM Random Access Memory. RARP Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. RDBMS Relational Database Management System. RIP Routing Information Protocol. RISC Reduced Instruction Set Computer. ROM Read-Only Memory. SAM Software Asset Management. SAN Storage Area Network. SCSI Small Computer System Interface. SDRAM Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. SFTP Secure File Transfer Protocol. SGML Standard Generalized Markup Language. SGRAM Synchronous Graphics RAM. SIP Session Initiation Protocol. SIU, Serial Interface Unit. SNTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SNAP, Sub-Network Access Protocol. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. SRAM, Static Random Access Memory. SYSOP, System Operator. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. UI, User Interface. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. USB, Universal Serial Bus. VCD, Video Compact Disc. VDU, Visual Display Unit. Virus, Vital Information Resource Under Siege. VRAM, Video Random Access Memory. VXD, Virtual Extended Driver. WAN, Wide Area Network. WAP, Wireless Application Protocol. WBMP, Wireless Bitmap Image. Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. WML, Wireless Markup Language. WWW, World Wide Web. XGA, Extended Graphics Array. XHTML, Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XMF, Extensible Music File. XML, Extensible Markup Language. XMS, Extended Memory Specification. XSL, Extensible Style Language. XGA, Extended Graphics Array. XMS, Extended Memory Specification. XT, Extended Technology. XNS, Xerox Network Service. XAML, Extensible Application Markup Language. XHTML, Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XSL, Extensible Style Language. Yahoo, yet another hierarchical officious oracle. YB, Yottabyte. YIB, Yobibyte. ZIFS, Zero Insertion Force Socket. ZMA, Zone Multicast Address. ZISC, Zero Instruction Setup Computer. ZMA, Zone Multicast Address. ZB, Zettabyte. ZIB, JB Byte. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like to this video, share this video to all of your friends, and we want feedback from you guys, so drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you.